Need to sign into your Booking.com account? It's quick and simple. Whether you're checking your reservations or managing your travel plans, here's how to do it. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your mobile device. Once inside, look at the bottom right corner and tap on My Account. This will take you to the Sign In page. Next, tap the Sign In button and you'll see multiple options to log in. You can use Google, Facebook, or your email. If you're using Google or Facebook, simply tap the option, select your account, and confirm. If you prefer signing in with your email, enter your email address and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once signed in, you'll have access to your bookings, saved stays, and special travel deals. You can also manage upcoming reservations, change booking details, and explore new destinations with ease. Now you're ready to book your next trip without any hassle. If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more travel tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.